at the fair, and we also use them for egg production. The black ones are black stars, and they lay brown eggs. And then the ones with lots of different colors and like brown and gold, those are phoenixes. Those lay smaller white eggs, and they're really fast. The white ones with black tail feathers are the Lakenvelder, and then the red ones are red stars, which are also some eggs you might buy at the store.
So we have several different types of chickens, breeds of chickens, and the different breeds of chickens will lay different types of eggs. And the primary breeds that we raise are black stars or red stars, and they lay beautiful brown eggs. But the great thing about those chickens is that they're a smaller breed, so they don't eat as much to produce a beautiful egg. So we can produce good quality eggs with not as much expense as you would have with a larger animal or a larger chicken that wants to eat more feed. And they are a very docile bird, and works well with the boys. So we have black stars and red stars, and we also have some different chickens that are going to lay white eggs, which are our Lakenvelders and also our golden phoenixes. And our older customers like the smaller eggs. They are perfect size for eating quality for them. We also have some Ericanas, and the Ericanas, or the Americanas as well, will lay a beautiful bluish green egg. Sometimes they refer to them more as your Easter egg colors. So this here one that Sam's holding is a black star. And the neat thing about chickens is that they have earlobes. And if you look right behind their ears, Sam, can you look right behind the ears, show them where their earlobes are? And a red earlobe, generally that breed of chicken is going to lay a brown egg. A white earlobe chicken is generally going to lay a white egg. So chickens are different than humans, and there's some things that are fun to see. Like the red on the top is the comb, and then you have the red wattle underneath. And then we talked a little bit about the earlobes. We also, if you watch her blink, you'll also notice their legs. Show them their legs, how they have scales on them. Thank you for visiting our farm. We look forward to meeting you.